Hello everyone, this is Bo and Low of the 50 somethings, and if you've been following this channel, then you know we're looking for a loop boat to do the great loop on actually, and this Sabre 45 seems to actually fit all the criteria that we need. Everything from the draft to the air draft, and inside is just absolutely gorgeous. Come along with us and see what you think.
This is probably about the largest that we want to consider. Again, it drawers. Storage is pretty good. Oh, it says please do not open drawers and lockers, so we're gonna do not sit on settees, don't open anything. Oh, that's wonderful. So you've got your, wow. You have plenty of cold storage on this boat. The stairs also lift up, I would imagine, to give you access to, who knows. It is not a gas cooktop, but it is nice. And here we are. Wow. This is really a beautiful boat. A little more nose than my husband likes. Thank God for grab rails.